Captain Kelly. I'm a captain based in the Midwestern base of Chicago, and I'm here to tell you today about how to properly clean the cockpit. We'll call it the Proposed Cockpit Cleaning Procedures, or PCCP. Is that right? Okay, so some other airlines, they have these fancy machines to clean the cockpit. They spend lots of money, but we don't do that here, no. So we have to do it ourselves. So first of all, you have to find some sanding wipes. And there may not be sanding wipes in the cockpit, so I gotta find some. Oh, here's some. Okay, we have to use these Sanicoms, and you gotta clean everything. You know, germs are bad. So you take these little Sanicoms, sometimes it helps to stick your tongue out, you know. Okay, so you just look up here and say, oh, I'm gonna touch this, so I better clean it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yep. Oh, I'm gonna come down here and put some information here in the old ancient computer. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna touch something. Oh gosh, there it is. Gotta clean it off. All right. Well, you get the idea. You gotta clean everything, and don't touch your face. And you clean everything. Don't touch your face. Remember to wear your mask. And that's a whole other video. There are some other airlines that have a whole video on how to properly wear your mask. And if you don't wear it, they'll turn you in and you'll get fired. Well, that's all I have for now. I'm Captain Kelly. Have a great day.
Cut.
Yeah.